Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
And 40 charismatic leaders, dynamic leaders, Aam Admi Party is going to project. When the party will project leaders, at what time, what will be the political strategy, what will be the campaign strategy, what will be the electoral strategy. These are things that the party's unit will decide.
Prospects of an alliance. Are the doors shut or are the doors open?
Aam Admi Party has not conceived any thought vis-a-vis the formation of an alliance or the non-formation of an alliance. This is an aspect on which the party will apply its mind at the right time. I am not commenting on consolidation of anti-BJP vote. I am not commenting on consolidation of anti-Congress vote. I am talking about consolidation of a pro-Goa vote. People who want to work for the welfare of Goa should come together. There are good people in the BJP, some of them. There are some good people in the Congress also. There are some good people in other political parties also. And therefore, these good people, if they are not corrupt, if they do not have a criminal background, if they wish to work for welfare of Goa and not for their own welfare, whose heart beats for the welfare of Goa, who will work for Goans, not for his own welfare.
Doors are open.
Doors are open, of course.